Oh, God.
Oh, no.
Oh. Evan with High Pro Strategic here. Today we're going to do a standard drill, 2 shots, do a reload, 2 shots on another target, but we're going to use gloves. So we're going to start off with no gloves, then we're going to go your standard mechanics gloves, your thickened mechanics gloves, then your $5 Ace hardware leather gloves, and then your Stanley grip gloves, and we're going to see which ones are the worst and which ones are the best. So we're going to start off with no gloves as a constant. So let's see how it goes. All right, and the time here was 5:77. Okay, so now we're going to try your standard mechanics gloves here. We're going to see how that works out, you know, for all the military guys. Oh, God. All right, and the time for that was 7:62. So that's about 2 seconds slower with gloves on. Just with your standard mechanics gloves, because you know, I can't feel where my shirt is, and when I'm trying to get the gun out, it's a little bit extra on my thumb to be able to get that grip in there. So now let's move on to the next gloves. Okay, so now the second set here, we're going to try your thickened mechanics gloves. These have a little bit of extra padding on the surface here, and the fingers are thicker. Let's see how I do with these on the same drill. All right, and the time for that was 7:03. All right, so now your standard $5 gardening gloves. I'll admit I've never actually shot or held a gun with these, so that's going to be interesting. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, man, that was horrible, horrible. And the time was 9:98. That was absolutely horrible. Okay, so the last pair of gloves is your standard grippy gloves, and they are kind of skin tight. We'll see how this works out. Oh, so much grip. It's like extreme grip, extreme grip.
Extreme grip.
Oh man, and time was 8:18. So seems to me like the best gloves are mechanics gloves because you can actually feel what you're doing and you can move stuff without it gripping too much or being oversized. Okay, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Give me a comment about something you want to see later.